Okay. Now, last day we have discussed about how demultiplexer works, and also we have started the encoder, right? And we have discussed that how an encoder works. Encoder also, as I have mentioned, that it is maybe 4:2 encoder, which is these are actually called binary decimal to binary encoder. There are different types of encoder available. Whenever there is something encoding possibility, then there will be one circuit required, that is called encoder. So you can actually include many types of encoder, right? But right now we are dealing with decimal to binary encoder. So we'll be discussing about other encoders further. So let we come to last day we have discussed about 4:2 encoder. Now let we come to the next one, that is 8:3 encoder. Now in case of 8:3 encoder, obviously there will be 8 numbers of inputs.
Sir,
Have all
1:4 demultiplexer টা একবার করাবেন?
1:4 demultiplexer এইটা
হ্যাঁ, সেকেন্ড
1:4 demult. Okay. 1:4 demultiplexer is having 1 input and 4 output, and there will be 2 select line. Select input, 2 select inputs will be there. Okay, and accordingly you will be having different types of your select line input according to different inputs of select line. One of the output will be getting the data value. So if it is for 0 0, then D will be moving towards Y0. Okay, so that means if it is 0 0, output Y0 will be D. Rest of the outputs, obviously there will be some output, but we don't know what would be that one, right? So rest of the outputs can be written as don't care. Okay. Rest of the outputs can be written as don't care. Okay, and if it is 0 1, then the same D input will be propagating towards Y1. Whatever be the data right here, maybe 0, maybe 1, that I don't know, that would be propagated towards Y1. Similarly, for 1 0, D will be propagating towards Y2, and for 1 1, D will be propagating towards Y3. So this accordingly we have made the truth table. Likely for 0 0, Y0 will be following D, then 0 1, Y1 will be following D, then 1 0, Y2 will be following D, and finally 1 1, Y3 will be following D. Accordingly, as you don't know what the rest of the outputs, these are the don't cares, or that means we do not actually bothering about this particular 3 outputs. We will be only looking for this output, only this particular stage. So this time output Y0 can be written as S0 bar, S1 bar, and T. Now why S0 bar, S1 bar is coming? Because of that, if this is 0, this is 0, so we'll be making this one as bar, right? We have discussed so far about the K-maps, right? We have discussed about the K-maps. Also in case of multiplexer, we have found then that is when the input is 0 0, the input logic is treated as bar, right? If we are dealing with 1, so it is 0 0, so S0 bar, S1 bar multiplied by whatever the input data D. Similarly, Y1 is S0, S1 bar into D, and so on. Y2 this, Y3 this. So this is something like 4:1 multiplexer. Similarly, 8:1 multiplexer is similarly 1:8 demultiplexer can have 1 data input, 8 numbers of outputs, and there will be 3 select lines. And according to the select line input, that time one of the output will be following the input D. Okay, and so on. But just that means it is just the opposite of the multiplexer, opposite logic of the multiplexer. Is that clear to you right now?
Yes, sir. Okay.
So now let me come to the 8:3 demultiplexer. Sorry, 8:3 encoder. And for this, we'll be having 8 numbers of inputs, starting with D7, D6, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, and D0. Right. So 8 numbers of inputs will be there, and there will be 3 outputs. Okay. As E2, maybe E2, E1, and E0. Okay. So as per decimal value, you can write it like this: 1. If rest all are 0, because this time only one input can be 1. If rest are all 0, so that will be denoted by 0, 0, 0. Similarly, if D1 is 1, rest all are 0. So that will be written as 0, 0, 1. Similarly, 0, 0, 1, rest all are 0. D2 is 1, rest all are 0. So then that will be treated as 0, 1, 0, right? If D3 is 1, rest all are 0. Then it would be 0, 1, 1. Right? This one is 1, rest all are 0. It will be as 1, 0, 0. Right? Similarly, this one is 1, rest all are 0. Then we'll be having 1, 0, 1, 5. Similarly, 6. So this is 1, 1, 0. And finally, 7. That is 1, 1, 1. So this is my truth table for an 8:3 encoder, right? Now, obviously, for which particular cases you are getting the output 0 high, it's for D1, it's for D3, it's for D5, and then again D7. So E0 can be written as D1 plus D3 plus D5 plus D7. Okay, so for this case, I'll be having output E0 high. Similarly, E1, next one, E1 is equal to, for which value, which cases output is 1. It is for D2, D3, followed by D6, D7, right? So D2 plus D3 plus D6 plus D7. So for these cases, E1 is high. Similarly, E2 is equal to, for last 4 cases, that is, this one is for D4, D5, D6, and D7, right? So this would be D4 plus D5 plus D6 plus D7, right? So thus we have a 8:3 encoder. Okay. It's very simple. Am I clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So similarly, also you can make 16:4 encoder, right? So that time inputs will be starting from D0 to D15. So 16 inputs will be there, and 4 outputs will be there, and accordingly, according to the positions of for which the output is high, then you have to make an OR operation between those input data, right? So that is something like 1 decimal to binary encoder circuit. Okay. Now, let me come to the next one. So I'm not going for further other encoder types right now. I am going for directly decoder. The next, MSI chip. So these are all actually medium scale integrated chip. That means it will be having more than 100 numbers of, or more than 10 to 100 numbers of gates within that. 10 to 100 numbers of gates can be there. Okay. So similarly, coming to decoder, our decoder, as like the demultiplexer is just the opposite of multiplexer, similarly a decoder will be just the opposite of an encoder. Okay. What is that? Decoder, if the encoder is something like this, if the encoder is having 2 to the power n input and n output is there, decoder is just opposite. It will be having n number of input. Accordingly, it will be having 2 to the power n number of output. If it is a simple binary to decimal decoder, so just the opposite one I am doing. That is in decoder. Right now I am doing, binary to decimal decoder. So there are other types of decoder circuits also available. According to the logic of encoding, we have to provide some decoding also. Okay, so here we are firstly dealing with binary to decimal decoder, which is just the opposite what I have discussed right now, that is encoder. Right? যে encoder টা বলেছি তার ঠিক উল্টোটা. So initially we'll be having n numbers of inputs. So there will be n sort of inputs. First, second, and going for up to n. So maybe the inputs can be E. Maybe I'm providing here E0, E1 up to En, right? And accordingly, we'll be having 2 to the power n output. Okay, so accordingly, it will be having maybe outputs. I'm providing the names as D0, D1, and up to D 2 to the power n. So this is something like we'll be saying that n is to 2 to the power n decoder. We'll be saying that this is n is to 2 to the power n decoder. So if the n value is let we start with a simple decoder, maybe starting with simple 2 to 4 decoder. 2 is to 4 decoder. As the name suggests, it will be having 2 numbers of input, 4 outputs will be there. 2 numbers of inputs, maybe as E0, as E1, and 4 outputs, maybe D3, D2, D1, D0, right? So for 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. For these cases, I'll be having for 0, 0, output D0 is high. Similarly, 0, 1, output D1 is high. For D2, we'll be having something like this. So E1, 1, E0, 0. That's what we are finding out. D2 high, rest outputs are 0. Similarly, this one 1, 0, 0, 0. Right? Now, what would be the expression for all this? These are the outputs, right? These are the outputs and these are the inputs. Okay. So for output D0, D0 is only high when E1 and E0 both are 0. So that means D0 is equal to E1 bar dot E0 bar, right? Similarly, D1 is equal to E1 bar dot E0, right? D2 is equal to E1 E0 bar, and D3 is equal to E1 E0. Okay. So these are my 4 outputs. Accordingly, obviously you can draw the circuit very easily. So you'll be having two inputs. One is E1, another is E0. So something, this one is E1, this one is E0. Okay. And so first of all, D0 equal to E1 bar, E0 bar. So both complement. One AND gate will provide you D0. Similarly, E1 bar, E0 will provide you D1, right? Next is E1, E0 bar is equal to D2, and finally E1, E0, E1 and E0. This would be D3, right? So this would be the circuit for simple 2:4 decoder, right? Is that clear? This decoder, 2:4 decoder.
Yes, sir.
Block diagram for such decoder will be having two inputs as E0 and E1 and four outputs as your D0, D1, D2, D3, right? So this is something like 2:4 decoder. It's very simple. Okay. Now let we come to the next one. Let we have next 3:8 decoder. 3:8 decoder. Obviously, as the name suggests, it will be having 3 input and 8 numbers of outputs. So 3 inputs are maybe E2, E1, E0, followed by D7, D5, D4, D3, D2, D1, D0. These are the outputs, right? Let we make all these inputs first. So input can have this kind of combinations. Okay, accordingly, so D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. Rest of the positions will be automatically 0. So you need to write down all these zeros. Like the so. So this is the truth table for a 3:8 decoder. These are the outputs and these are the inputs. Okay. Similarly, it's very simple that how can you write down the expressions? The expressions can be easily written. Likely I am writing inside right over here as D0 is equal to obviously E0 bar, E1 bar, E2 bar, right? As simple as that. So it would be E2 bar, E1 bar, E0 bar. Similarly, D1 equal to E2 bar, E1 bar dot E0, right? Similarly, D2 equal to E2 bar, E1, E0 bar, right? D3 is equal to E2 bar, E1, E0, right? D4 is equal to E2, E1 bar, E0 bar, right? D5 is equal to this one, right? So that is E2, E1 bar, E0, right? D6 equal to this one. So E2, E1, E0 bar. D7, E2, E1, E0. Okay. Am I clear this one? These expressions? How
Yes,
we have
sir.
found? Fine. It's very simple. So accordingly, you can found all those expressions and you can draw the circuit also. I'm not going to draw this one. Okay. Now, similarly, also you can make 4:16 decoder also. You can make it by your own. No problem. Okay. Now, one more thing which is important for decoder, like like your multiplexer that can be used to make any sort of circuit, যে কোনো সার্কিট বানানোর জন্য যেমন মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার করাটা খুব জরুরি, করা যায় মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার দিয়ে we can make any sort with the help of such decoders also. So it is also found that decoders can be used to make any Boolean expression. Or else you can also say decoders can be used to implement any combinational circuit. So it can be also used to implement any combinational circuit. Now combinational circuit are those circuits which obeys the which have got any Boolean function, right? So any combinational circuit or Boolean circuit can be implemented by decoder. So that is why it is also called universal logic circuit or universal logic block, likely multiplexer. Multiplexer দিয়ে আমরা দেখেছি we have found by using multiplexer we have made any sort of circuit. We can make it, right? Similarly, by using decoder also we can make any combinational circuit. So let we try to find out how can it be possible. Okay, suppose we are having one particular y. Suppose we are having y equal to summation of maybe 0, 3 and 7, something like this. We want to implement this one with the help of a decoder. Okay, how can it be possible? Okay, make sure about this one. Y is a function of a, b, c. Right, y is a function of a, b, c. These are the inputs. What you need to do, that is, suppose for that case, what we'll be doing, we'll be taking a decoder having this as the inputs. এইগুলো আমাদের input হতে হবে. That is A, B and C. Okay, this would be their inputs. Suppose this is ABC and there will be 8 numbers of outputs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Right? Likely maybe D0, D1, D2, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 and D7. Right? Suppose these are the outputs. Suppose this is the LSB, C is the LSB and A is the MSB. as like it's shown right over here. A is the MSB and C is the LSB. That means D0, what it signifies? It signifies D0 is nothing but is a response of A bar, B bar, C bar, right? Similarly, D1 is the response of A bar, B bar, C, and so on, right? Because we have already found if we are having E0, E1, E2, then D0 is something like this: E2 bar, E1 bar, E0 bar. So instead of E0, E1, E2, it can be ABC also, right? So if it is ABC, then we are having A bar, B bar, C bar, right? What does it mean? This particular expression means if you write down the truth table will denote that for these positions output is high, when outputs are high for these particular positions, right? So if we need to make the Boolean function for this one, how can we write down? Simple. I am not going for any K-map test. So I'll be writing down this one 0. So that will be something like A bar, B bar, C bar plus next 3. So that is A bar, B, C. And last one is 7. That is A, B, C. Right. So this is the Boolean function, right? Because for these cases we are having the outputs 1. And we know that this we are finding out A bar, B bar, C bar as D0. A bar BC that will come to your D3. So that is your A bar BC, right? So this would be your A bar BC, right? So this is your A bar B bar C bar. This would be your A bar BC. And last one ABC should come out from D7, right? ABC. Now, if we just make one OR operation between these three, we are making just an OR operation between these three. What will happen? We'll be finding out Y, right? আমরা এখান থেকে Y directly পেয়ে যাব. We can easily find out Y. So from 3:8 decoder, from a such 3:8 decoder, and one simple OR gate, by using one OR gate, we can make any Boolean function. যে কোনো Boolean function আমরা use করতে পারি. Okay, am I clear this one?
Yes, sir.
Everybody? Is that clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Fine. So what you need to do, এটা যেটা করতে হবে তোমাদের সেটা হচ্ছে whenever you will be asked to make one design using decoder, make sure you should know what are the min terms for which the outputs are high. Bring those min terms out from your decoder output and make one OR operation. As simple as that. এর বাইরে আর কিছু করতে হবে. Okay. Fine. Now, let we come to the next one. Another MSI chip. This is important. Okay, this is important also. This is important, how to make one circuit using decoder as well as how to make one circuit using multiplexer. This is also important. Okay, so these two are you have to know or you have to remember. Next thing is that let we come to the next MSI chip, that is half adder. A chip which can add, called adder. A chip which can add is called an adder. Now, what is half adder? Why is called half adder? Simple adder, a simple adder, or these are actually called 1-bit adder. A simple adder consists of two inputs. দুটি input থাকে, rather half adder has got two inputs, two outputs. Okay, so inputs are maybe A, B. Outputs are sum and carry. Why? So it will be trying to add A along with B. Now A value can be 0, B value can be 0, right? So A can be 0, B can be also 0, right? So if you add these two, 0 plus 0 will be 0. So sum is 0. So this is coming out as sum, right? Similarly, A value can be 0, B value can be 1. Again, if you add these two, result is 1, right? It is also that time it will be treated as sum, right? If similarly A value is 1, B value is 0, if you add these two, still we are having sum output as 1, right? Only sum, one output that can be treated as sum output. But if both are 1 and 1, if you add these two, the result is 1, 0. 2-bit result will be there, where 0 is called sum output, 1 is called carry output, right? We know this one. Sum output and carry over output. Normally যদি যোগ করি তা তো তাই বলি, যে সংখ্যাটা নিচে যেটা আসে that is being treated as sum, and if there is any carry over we say that one is a carry. Now half adder is 1-bit adder which can add 1 bit along with another bit. এই দুটোকে নিয়ে অ্যাড করতে পারি, it's called half adder. It's called an half adder. So what can be its truth table? So accordingly, we can write down the truth table as A, B. These are the inputs, and outputs are sum and carry. In few books, you may find out it is written as S and it is written as C. Whatever. So 1, 0, 1, 1. Right. So these are the 4 outputs. So 0, 0, as I have found, we have found this one. 0, 0 means output sum is 0. What about carry? Carry is also 0, right? So no carry over, so that is carry is also 0. Similarly, 0, 1, so sum is 1, carry is 0. Still, because we have found 0 plus 1 is 1, which is sum. No carry. So no carry means 0 carry. 1 and plus 0, it is also having the sum value 1, but no carry, right? And the last one, 1, 1, having the sum value 0, because this time we are finding out the sum value equal to 0, but the carry value is 1, right? So this is the truth table for an half adder. Okay. This half adder contains 2 inputs, 2 outputs. Now, obviously, 2 outputs require 2 Boolean functions. 2 Boolean function তৈরি হবে. If you look after this sum, you can make it with the help of a truth K-map. Obviously, তুমি K-map দিয়ে করতেই পারো. But if you directly look after this sum, it have the same response like one XOR gate. Probably you can just remember what was XOR gate. We have discussed that one earlier. One XOR gate. Yes, this one. One XOR gate. We have discussed this one earlier, where outputs are 0, 1, 1, 0. This was the simple Boolean function or truth table for an XOR gate. Here also 0, 1, 1, 0. So we can write it down as sum is equal to A XOR B. Okay, we can write it down as A XOR B. Similarly, we can write down carry. It looks like 000 followed by 1, which is the same truth table as like one AND gate, right? So you can just go to your AND gate, simple AND gate. You can see 000 followed by 1, right? So it's the same we are having right here. So this is carry equal to A dot B. So these are the 2 expressions for the half adder outputs. Sum equal to A XOR B, carry is equal to A and B. Okay. Now, obviously, the circuit is very simple. You can simply make two inputs, A followed by B, put one XOR gate in front of that, write down it is sum, bring that to input, pass it through another AND gate, write it down as carry. Okay, as simple as that. This is a simple half adder circuit. This is as simple as that. It একটা half adder circuit. Okay. Now, is that clear? This half adder, how it works? It's very simple.
Yes, sir.
Coming to the next one, even if you are not, if you fail to understand or fail to observe this one as XOR or this one as AND, you can still make it with the help of K-map. K-map no problem at all. Using K-map also it will come like AB bar plus A bar B, and this will be simply coming as AB. You can test, it will be finding out that one. From that one also you can AB bar plus A bar B written as A XOR B. Now the point is, earlier I have told you that generally in case of circuit design we do not prefer XOR gate or XNOR gate. এই দুটোকে আমরা খুব একটা prefer করি না. Instead of that, we go for simple AND gate based or gate based circuits, so that can be written as SOP or POS format of expression, and that can be replaced by directly universal gates. Right? We have discussed that one earlier. But in this particular case, half adder, we have found that I have drawn it in form of XOR. এটাকে আমরা XOR হিসেবে draw করেছি, not by A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. এই ফর্মে না একে we have directly drawn that one as XOR gate. This is the main reason. This is one of the main reason that till today we are trying to make adder circuits in various formats. But still research is going on. How to get a more simple adder circuit. It looks very simple. Simple one XOR gate and one AND gate. But this XOR gate consists of more internal transistorized circuit compared to this AND gate. So this will be producing little bit more delay compared to this one. এটার থেকে এটার মধ্যে কাজ হতে একটু বেশি সময় লাগবে, because it is containing few more transistorized circuit compared to AND gate. So that we are trying to match always. আমরা generally যেটা চেষ্টা করছি, and that is the one of the main reason. Still now, lot of researches are going on over this sort of adder circuits. Okay. And generally make sure about this one. Adder is one of the major building block of all processors. যে কোনো প্রসেসরের মধ্যে কিন্তু adder circuit হচ্ছে one of the major building block, because most of the time what we do some mathematical operation in case of processing. Mathematical or logical operation. Logical operation is fine. It will be done directly by your gates. But in case of mathematical operation, maybe some filtering operation you are performing, maybe some amplifying operation you are performing, right? So what you have to do? You have to multiply. Multiply is the main block. Okay, if you would like to just uplift your signal, what you need to do? You need to multiply. If you would like to decrease the signal state, what you have to do? Again, you need to multiply with some negative value, something like this. So multiplier is one of the major blocks in all processing unit, maybe in all digital signal processor, or maybe image processor, or maybe any sort of digital processors will be having multipliers are the major building blocks within that. And to design one multiplier, obviously, as you know, multiplication can't be done without addition. Addition ছাড়া কিন্তু multiplication হয় না. because multiplication itself is a repetition of addition, right? So that's one of the reason that you require adder right over there also. So that is one of the again one of the most important or interesting topic of research still now আমরা চেষ্টা করছি যত ভালো প্রসেসর বানানো যায়. So that is why though we are having all these facilities available, still we are trying to make better and better circuit. Not in case of simple multiplexer we are trying to build it in other way. অন্যভাবে মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার বানানোর চেষ্টা করছি না, খুব একটা হয় না, বা অন্যভাবে একটা এনকোডার বানানোর চেষ্টা করছি না, খুব একটা হয় না, বিকজ it's all right, we can make it in we can take it like this. But adders are such important part of modern processors that if we implement one adder with some improvement in all sense, so overall the circuit or the processor performance will increase. That's the major issue. Whatever. So that is why such kind of adders are very important. Coming to next part after half adder. Now you may have I have provided one particular article in your this month magazine of TNU. TNU তে একটা ম্যাগাজিন বেরিয়েছে, তোমরা জানো? Have you heard that about? Have you heard about that magazine? Onunoron, what's the name is? Onunoron, something like that. Have you heard the name that magazine?
Yes, sir.
শুনেছো তো? Okay, fine. তোমাদের মধ্যে কেউ কি লেখা দিয়েছো ওখানে? লেখা দিয়েছিলে? Have it been published? কেউ কি লেখা দিয়েছিলে?
নো স্যার।
দাওনি? দাওনি কেন? You were not being informed? বলা হয়নি দেওয়ার জন্য?
No, sir.
স্যার মেল এসেছিল একটা,
মেল এসেছিল, দাওনি? ইচ্ছে করেনি?
বুঝতে পারিনি।
বুঝতে পারোনি? সে কি, কেন বুঝতে পারোনি কেন?
মেলে দেওয়া আছে, একটা নাম্বার আছে, ওই নাম্বারে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে। তো
মেলটা আমাদের কলেজ থেকে এসেছিল তো নাকি?
হ্যাঁ, টিএনইউ কি লেখা জানো, টিএনইউ ইন্টার্নশিপ
হ্যাঁ।
সেলস।
হ্যাঁ, তো সেখানে কন্ট্যাক্ট করতে পারতে। যাই হোক,
ও মাঝে মধ্যে মেল পাঠায়, তো এবার কোনটা দরকারি বুঝতে পারি না।
আচ্ছা শোনো, যখন তোমাদের একটা জিনিস বলে রাখি, তোমরা সেকেন্ড ইয়ার তো সবে মাত্র, নিশ্চয়ই তোমরা তো কোনটা দরকারি কোনটা অদরকারি হয়তো বুঝতে পারবে না। তো এক্ষেত্রে যে কোনো একজন যার উপরে তোমাদের বিশ্বাস আছে সেরকম একজন কলেজের স্যারের সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ রাখবে, যোগাযোগ করবে। সে ডিপার্টমেন্টের স্যার হতে পারেন, বাইরের কোনো ডিপার্টমেন্টের স্যার হতে পারেন, অন্য কোনো অ্যাডমিনিস্ট্রেটিভ স্টাফ হতে পারেন, টিএনইউর কোনো স্যার হতে পারেন, ম্যাডাম হতে পারেন, বাট একজন মানে যিনি আমাদের কলেজের সঙ্গে যুক্ত। তোমাদের একজন করে মেন্টর টিচার থাকার কথা, তো মেন্টর আছেন তো তোমাদের? মেন্টর টিচার, তোমাদের মেন্টর টিচার আছেন না?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
কে আছেন তোমাদের মেন্টর টিচার?
বিকেএস স্যার।
তো বিকেএস স্যারকে জিজ্ঞাসা করবে এই সমস্ত ক্ষেত্রে। যে কোনো দেখো অনেক কিছু মিস হয়ে গেলে না পরে তোমরাই মুশকিলে পড়বে, তোমাদেরকে বলবে কেন তোমাদের তো জানানো হয়েছিল। যেমন আজকে আমি জিজ্ঞাসা করছি তোমরা ম্যাগাজিনে লেখা দাওনি, কেন দাওনি? ঠিক আছে, তো এইরকম তো আরো অনেক কিছুই আসতে পারে। হয়তো কোনো একটা ইন্টার্নশিপের খবর এলো তোমাদের কাছে, যেটা হয়তো 5টা ইন্টার্নশিপের খবর আসছে, তার মধ্যে একটা হয়তো সত্যিই ভালো ইন্টার্নশিপের খবর। তুমি ভাবলে তোর ওগুলো কোনোটাই ভালো না, এটা তো অ্যাপ্লাই করবো। হবে কি আলটিমেটলি হঠাৎ করে তোমাদেরকে একটা হয়তো কেউ বলা হলো এ কি হলো তোমরা ওটা কেউ অ্যাপ্লাই করলে না, তখন তোমরা স্যার বুঝতে পারিনি ইত্যাদি। তো চেষ্টা করবে অ্যাটলিস্ট কোনো একজন টিচারের সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ রাখতে এবং তার সঙ্গে এই সমস্ত বিষয়গুলো একটু ক্লিয়ার করে বুঝে নিতে, তাতে তোমাদেরই সুবিধে, আর কিছু না। ঠিক আছে, যাই হোক, তো আরো আবার হবে এরকম ম্যাগাজিন, তো আরো বেরোবে, তখন লেখা দিও। তো ফার্স্ট ইস্যু সবাই বেরিয়েছে, তো আবার নেক্সট ইস্যুতে লেখা দেবে, টেকনিক্যাল নন টেকনিক্যাল যা খুশি লেখা দেওয়া যেতে পারে ওখানে, তো দিও তাহলে। তো যেটা বলছিলাম, তো সেখানে একটা আমার স্টুডেন্টরা কাজ করেছিল আর কি, তো সেটার একটা লেখা ওরা সবাই মিলে লিখেছে, আমিও একটু এডিট ফেডিট করে লিখে সাবমিট করেছি। যে এখনো কিন্তু মডার্ন ওয়ার্ল্ডেও কিন্তু মানে এখনো এটার উপরে রিসার্চ চলছে, অ্যাডার সার্কিট কিভাবে বানানো যায়, কিভাবে আরো বেটার ইমপ্রুভ করা যায় সার্কিটটা। যাই হোক, তোমরা হয়তো এই মুহূর্তে পড়ে বুঝতে পারো না, তোমরা ওটাকে অনলাইন অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারো ওই ম্যাগাজিনটাকে। অনলাইন কি অ্যাক্সেস করো, মানে আছে তোমাদের কাছে অনলাইনে ওটা লিঙ্কটা আছে ম্যাগাজিনের? যদি থাকে আমারটা পড়তে হবে না, আমারটা বাদ দিয়ে তোমাদের এজে স্টুডেন্টরা যা যা করেছে সেগুলো অ্যাটলিস্ট ফলো করো, দেখো। বা বড় বড় স্যারেরা যারা যারা লিখেছেন তাদের লেখাগুলো একটু আধটু দেখো। তাতে হয় কি, নলেজটা বাড়তে পারে, বা অ্যাটলিস্ট তোমার হয়তো কোনো একটা বিষয়তে ইন্টারেস্ট গ্রো করলেও করতে পারে। কিছু না হোক, সুন্দর কবিতা লেখা আছে সেগুলোও পড়লে মন ভালো থাকবে। চেষ্টা করো, এটা তোমাদেরই সম্পত্তি, তোমাদেরই জিনিস, মানে তোমারই অর্গানাইজেশনের জিনিস, তো ন্যাচারালি সেখানে তুমি ওটাকে নিজের মনে করতেই পারো। যাই হোক, সো লেট মি কাম টু নেক্সট ওয়ান, দ্যাট ইজ next is full adder. Okay, so half adder, okay, all right. So next we come to full adder. Okay, so what is full adder? Half adder to na hoy bujlam. Full adder is something like this. It is also one bit adder. It is also one bit adder, but it can take at a time 3 consecutive bits. 3টে bit নিতে পারে। What does it mean? ধরো আমার একটা সংখ্যা আছে, সাপোজ ধরো আমি বলছি, সাপোজ ধরো A0 along with B0, এই দুটো অ্যাড করছি, এর সঙ্গে আরো আছে A1 B1, মানে ধরো সংখ্যাটা এরকম বড় সংখ্যা A3 B3 এরকম 4 সংখ্যার যোগ আমরা আগে করেছিলাম তো ছোটবেলায়, সেরকম ধরো 4 সংখ্যার যোগ আছে। এটা 4 সংখ্যা, এটাও 4 সংখ্যা। This is a 4 bit, this is also a 4 bit. So this addition is actually 4 bit addition. Okay, so it comes to 1 bit. It require 1 bit adder. So how can you add? Obviously, initially, jeta, which is the normal process of addition, is that you need to add A0 with B0, right? So you can add, obviously, you can add these two by means of an half adder. এটাকে একটা half adder দিয়ে add করতে পারো, because half adder can add A0 along with B0. What would be the result? Result would be, suppose like sum as S0. A0 B0, so suppose like sum is S0. But we know one half adder may contain one carry output also. Carry যদি 0 হলো তো ঠিক আছে, it's all right. But if carry exists right over there, so it should be added with the next stage, right? Carry যেটা হয় এখানে যোগ করে যেটা carry over হবে, that should be added with A1 B1. So that means only half adder can't be enough to make the next addition. There you will require, so this carry which is generating right over here, maybe one C0, and carry is generating, that particular carry you need to bring up, right? You need to bring it here, C0, and accordingly you need to add these 3, C0 along with A1 along with B1. But it can't be done by a simple half adder. এই half adder দিয়ে তো এটাকে করা যাবে না, right? So that is why you require something full adder, a full adder. So here also you'll be having one output, maybe S1 along with C1. So that C1 is again right over here, and again these 3 will be added with some full adder, and you can have S2 along with C2. So C2 will be added, so that will be providing you S3, and finally we'll be having C3, right? So this would be the overall answer: S0, S1, S2, S3, C3. So that can be done. But it is simple. But for that, we require another circuit which is called full adder. Is that the concept is clear? That what is the basic difference between an half adder and a full adder? Both are actually 1-bit adder. This is 1-bit adder, but adding A0 along with B0. The augment and the addend. These two terms it is adding only. But here, in case of full adder, it can add augment, addend, as well as the carry input from the previous stage, right? Or the previous carry. Right? So it can add all three. So that is why it's called a full adder. Okay. You can, even if here also you can use full adder with a previous carry as equal to 0. Previous carry এখানে তো কিছু নেই, আগে থাকতে কিছু আসছে না। You can take that one as previous carry equal to 0. So that means only full adder can make any size adder, any bit size adder. By using full adder, you can make it easily. But only half adder is not being able, and it won't be able to make multiple bit addition. Multiple bit addition কিন্তু half adder দিয়ে হবে না। Is that clear? এতে কি বোঝা গেছে?
Yes, sir.
Now, obviously, so it can have 3 inputs. So the block for a full adder will contain 3 inputs, A, B, and C. Maybe it's called as C in, carry in, and it will be having similarly sum and carry. Sum or carry that because it cannot be more than 2 bit. যদি 3টে বিটও তুমি একসঙ্গে অ্যাড করো, maximum it can be 1 1 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 means that sum and carry both will be 1. So that means 3টে বিটের output হবে না. So that can be only having 2-bit output. So that is something like a full adder block diagram. Coming to the your truth table. So obviously 3 bits are there, A, B, followed by C in. And as we know, if there are 3 bits, you can have 8 different combinations. Carry or carry out, maybe C out, you can write down anything. In case of carry, in case of sum, you can write down S, whatever. So you can have these combinations. Right. So these are the different combinations. 8 combinations are there. Starting with sum, 0 plus 0, 0. Plus 0, 0. So sum is 0, carry is 0. Fine. 0 plus 0, 0. Plus 1, sum 1, carry 0. Right. Similarly, 0 plus 1, sum 1. Sum 1 plus 0, again still sum 1, carry 0. Now 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, that is 10. So that means sum is 0, carry is 1. Right. Next one, 1 plus 0, sum 1 plus 0. So that means sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1. So I'm removing, just forgetting about this thing. 1 plus 1, 10. 10 means, right, sum 0, carry 1. Again 1 plus 1, 10. So that means sum 0, carry 1. Last one, 1 plus 1, 10. So 1 plus 1 is 10. Plus 1, that is 11. So sum 1, carry 1. Right. So this is the truth table for your one full adder circuit. একটা full adder circuit এর এটা হচ্ছে truth table. Similarly, what we can write down, that is we can make K-map for sum, we can make K-map for carry. So let we make that one. K-map for sum. Came up for sum. A, B, C in, right? 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, right? So that means all should be taken individually. There is no such grouping is possible, and that's why sum is equal to, so let me write down from here, A bar, B bar, C in, plus next one is A bar, B, C in bar, right? Okay. Plus this one, A, B bar, C in bar, right? And finally, this one is A, B, C. Okay. Now for your information, it is same as A, X or B, X or C in. Okay, make sure about this one. This is A, X or B, X or C in. Okay. And if you just expand this A, X or B, X or C in, you will be finding out these are the Boolean mean terms you will be finding out. Similarly, K-map for carry, you can go for K-map for carry. So K-map for carry, again A, B, C in 0, 1, right? So we'll be having 0, 0, 0, 1, then 0, 1, 1, 1, right? This one. So you can have this 2 along with this 2 along with this 2. So what we can write down, carry is equal to, you can write down like this, maybe I am initially taking this one, so that is AB, A, B, plus I'm taking this one, B dot C in, plus this one as A dot C in. Right. So AB plus BC or BC in plus AC in. So these are the circuit. So similarly, what you can draw, that is simply you can take 3 input XOR to get the sum. Now you can take A, B, make it one AND. Similarly, B, C in, put another AND, and then followed by again A, C in, followed by AND. So there are 3 ANDs followed by 1 OR to get carry. So this is your A, this is your B, this is your C in, right? So this is the circuit diagram or schematic diagram of full adder. Full adder circuit. Full adder short form FA. Okay, is that clear? This one? Eta ki clear hoyeche? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, full adder is, as I have mentioned, that it is so much interesting topic. It can be made with various logic. অনেক রকম ভাবে করা, মানে অদ্ভুত রকম ভাবে তুমি এক এক অ্যাঙ্গেলে দেখবে, you'll be surprised to see that how it is so beautiful, মানে এটা অদ্ভুত ভাবে চেঞ্জ হতে থাকে। Now if you look after this, simple, আমি জাস্ট একটা ছোট্ট জিনিস তোমায় বলছি, If you just look after this logic, this is A as 0, this is A as 1. Okay. So let me divide this one. For A equal to 0, sum and carry, how it is being generated? It is something like, look, 0 1 1 0 0 0 1. So something for A value 0, it is the XOR operation between B and C, right? And the carry is the AND operation between B and C, right? 0 0 1, right? And if you look after this, when A value equal to 1, it is nothing but XNOR operation between B and C. And here you can see this part is nothing but OR operation between B and C. Okay. One of the problem was given in your class test 1. There if I use that problem was something like that. কি ছিল জানো problemটা? I have probably discussed that one right in the theory class. That করেছিলাম না problemটা? কোথায় করলাম? এইখানে করেছিলাম। Okay, right here. So the problem was there, something few values where output is 1 greater than the input, and for few cases output is 1 less than the input. Now in the book, মানে যে বইটা থেকে দেয়া ছিল সেই বইটাতে ছিল প্রবলেমটা এরকম, the output is 1 greater than the input for the input 0 1 2 and 3, and if it is like this, output is 1 greater than the input. Maybe I am providing the inputs XYZ. XYZ outputs are A, B, C. Suppose like this: 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 and 1 1 1. Something like this are the inputs. So suppose up to 3. So up to this output is 1 greater than the input. So how it will look like? It will look like this: 0 0 1 0 1 sorry 0 0 1 0 1 0, then followed by 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, right? Okay. Then after this part, it was given that output. So for this, output is 1 greater than input, right? And for this case, let the output be 1 less than the input. So that is 0 1 1 followed by that is 1 0 0, right? Next is 1 1 0, তার মানে হচ্ছে 1 0 1. Next it is 1 1 0, right? Now so that is something like I have written the output is 1 less than input, right? Okay. Now forget about this part. C টাকে ভুলে যাও. Forget about C. If you look after B and A, okay, how it looks like: 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Now B can be written as sum, okay, because sum right now what you can see, the sum is nothing but this one: 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1, right? So the same sum you are getting at B. Okay, so 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. And if you look after A, 0 0 1 followed by 0 1 1. So this can be also carry. এটা carry. Because if you look after this 0001 followed by 0111. So if you want to make this circuit, that can be যেটা ওই জোসনা করেছিল, that is she has just made one full adder where the inputs were x, y, z, x, y, z. So the sum output is nothing but b. The carry output is nothing but a, right? And what about c? C is just the opposite of z. You can see c is just the opposite of z. So the z can be inverted to provide you the c. So that means even if this logic is also valid, so there are various ways you can see, and you can find out if it's working for full adder. Okay, it's so interesting. Now that is the reason, মানে এই জন্যই জোসনা অনেক কোনো জায়গা থেকে ওটা পেয়ে গেছিল মনে হয়, I don't know how she has made that one, but maybe on that particular book it is being designed like that, but I have provided the problem little bit different. I have just kept two positions don't care so that the entire design can be different. Don't care দিয়ে দিয়েছিলাম. Okay, whatever. So let we try to start full adder design with the help of some other circuitry. Okay, so let we try first of all full adder using half adder. Let me first start with full adder using half adder. Okay, let I first of all make that drawing. So one half adder will consist of two inputs A, B. So this is the half adder one. We'll be having the sum equal to A X or B, right? And maybe this is the sum one. This is the half adder one, so sum one and carry one, right? Equal to AB, right? As simple as that. Now let we provide the sum one as the input for the next half adder. Is sum one যেটা out বেরিয়েছে that I am providing to next half adder input, right? And third input for the half adder, second input, that is C in. So here this is the half adder 2. So it will be having sum to output. What is that? Sum to output is nothing but A X or B. This is the one of the input. X or C in, right? So overall I can write down this one is the full adder sum out, because full adder sum out is A X or B, X or C in. So that can be also written like this. এটাকে এইভাবে লেখা যায়. For generation of carry, what we need to do? I am taking the carry 2 and I am taking the carry 1. এই দুটোকে নিয়ে আমি I am making it an OR operation between these two to get the final carry. Now let I find out what is carry 2 and then what is the overall carry. Okay, I think that sum is actually fine, right? Because here the sum is A X or B, and accordingly here the sum would be this value X or C in. So this value X or C in means A X or B X or C in, right? So that is all right. But what about the carry? So let we start with carry 2 first. Carry 2 is equal to A X or B. So this is the input for this half adder 2, and the second input for this half adder 2 is C in, right? So that is something like A B bar plus A bar B dot C in, right? So that is equal to A B bar C in plus A bar B C in, right? I'm just keeping as it is. Just গুণ করে দিই, আর কিছু না। Now, final carry is equal to this plus this, right? So that is nothing but AB plus this one, right? A B bar C in plus A bar B C in, right? Now, let we consider A B multiplied by C in plus C in complement. Just আমি এটা ধরে নিলাম। So if it is like that, C in plus C in complement, so it would be 0 plus 1, that is 1. It's all right. Rest I am writing as it is. A B bar C in plus A bar B C in, right? Okay, so now let me break this thing. A B C in plus A B C in complement plus A B bar C in plus A bar B C in, right? Also, let I have this ABC. I am writing again 2 times. I am writing the same thing. Again, I am writing A B C in plus A B C in. আবার লিখছি একই জিনিস দুবার লিখতেই পারি আমি। If the entire value is 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0, again it will remain 0. If it is 1, 1 plus 1 plus 1, again it will be remaining same. Now I am taking common. এবার আমি common নিচ্ছি। First AB. Okay. So what is that? So here it will be having C in plus C in complement. Then I am taking common between these two. Okay, and I am taking common as A C in. এই দুটোর মধ্যে A C in common নিচ্ছি। So what is left? B plus B bar, right? And rest in between these two, I am taking common B dot C in. So what else left? A plus A bar. So what the ultimate answer? This is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So that is AB plus A dot C in plus B dot C in. So this is the answer ultimate. Okay, which is nothing but the full adder carry output. So this circuit can also be used as one full adder. মানে দুটো half adder along with one OR gate also, we can make one full adder. Okay, is that clear? This one? Is that clear? This one?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Let we come to the next one. How full adder we can make with the help of multiplexer. So let we try to make the next part. Full adder using mux. Okay, so we know that using multiplexer we can make any combinational circuit. So we can make a full adder also. A full adder ও বানাতে পারি অবশ্যই. So let we try to make it with the help of multiplexer, and obviously we can make using simple 2 ways are there. One is full adder, that means ABC 3 inputs. So we can use one 1:8, sorry 8:1 multiplexer that we can use, right? এটা তো আমরা use করতেই পারি, but I am not going for that one. I am using 4:1 multiplexer. That is this, you know, we can make using this logic, simple this logic. আমি এরকম logic দিয়ে করতে পারি. For that I require 8:1 multiplexer where all the inputs should be connected with select line. That one possibility is there, or else I can make with 4:1 multiplexer. So I'll be going for the no, minimized one, that is the 4:1 multiplex. এটা দিয়ে আমরা করি, বাট তোমাদের যদি পরীক্ষার সময় আসে তাহলে 4:1 মাল্টিপ্লেক্সারটা দিয়েই করবে। 8:1 মাল্টিপ্লেক্সার যদি না বলা থাকে, do not go for that one. যদি বলা থাকে then different issue, that is something separate. So for using 4:1 multiplexer, initially as you know that we need to take one table for sum, and let we have MSB A, then D0, D1, D2, D3. Okay, so for A value 0 and 1, truth table is something like this: 0, 1, 1, 0 followed by 1, 0, 0, 1, right? Eta to that we know. 0, 1, 1, 0 followed by 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so what is that? It is a bar, it is also a bar, and it is a, right? Right. And similarly for carry, and তোমাকে এটা মুখস্থ রাখতে হবে প্রায়, মানে make sure that full adder is such a particular truth table. You should keep always in your mind. Sum 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, carry 0, 1 followed by 0, 1, 1. এটা একটু মনে রাখতে হবে। যদি মনে এতটাও না রাখতে পারো, খেয়াল রাখবে এখানে XOR XNOR, এখানে AND OR, এভাবেও মনে রাখতে পারো। সিমিলারলি ক্যারি একই রকম ভাবে D0, D1, D2, D3. For 0, 1, it is 0, 0, 1 followed by 0, 1, 1, right? So we can write down as 0, we can write down this one as A, this one as A, this one as 1, right? Now how can we make this one? এটা কিভাবে করব? Okay, simple. I will require two multiplexers, দুটো multiplexer রাখবো। Multiplexer 1, multiplexer 2. One will be generating the sum, second one will be generating the carry. Okay. All these multiplexers are having select lines which are common to each other, and those select lines are actually B, C in, right? B আর C in এই দুটো হচ্ছে তাদের select input. So data inputs, 4 data inputs will be there as D0, D1, D2, D3. Similarly here also D0, D1, D2, and D3. Right, this is 4:1 marks 1. This is another 4:1 marks 2. Right. So D0, let we start with sum. Sum এর ক্ষেত্রে কি লাগছে? We require A and A bar. So maybe this line is A, and we are also getting A bar. So here it is A. So this is A, suppose. So A should be connected with D0 and D3. So let we short D0 and D3 and connect it with A. Right? এটাকে আমি এর সঙ্গে কানেক্ট করে দিলাম। Similarly D1 and D2, this should be shorted. এই দুটো short হবে, and will be connected with your A bar. right? So this is your A bar. Okay. So this is the sum it will be generating. Similarly, here D1 and D2 for carry generation, D1 and D2 should be connected with A. So again, I'll be sorting this two. Again, I'll be sorting and connecting it with A. Right? Connect and what else I need to do? D0 should be rounded or logic 0. So it would be logic 0. And D3 should be connected with VDD. So logic 1. Right. So this is how you can make again full adder using two numbers of 4:1 multiplexer. দুটো 4:1 multiplexer দিয়ে আমি full adder বানালাম. Is that clear? Is that clear? This one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. সবার যদি clear হয় ঠিক আছে. If anybody have any doubt, you can repeat. You can go for it. Okay. সবার মোটামুটি মনে হচ্ছে বুঝেছো. বুঝলেই ভালো. Next. Full adder using decoder. Decoder দিয়ে full adder করা যাক. How can make it? As simple as that, we require some 8 output decoder, right? So 3:8 decoder will be required. 3:8 decoder. 3:8 decoder. The 3 inputs should be connected with A, B, C in. As simple as that. Okay. There will be 8 outputs, likely D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, and D7. 8 outputs are there. Okay. We know from the truth table, for sum, we require to connect D1, D2, then D4, and D7. So D1, D2, D4, D7, right? So what I'll be doing? D1, D2, D4, D7. I'll simply bringing those 4, providing 1 and OR get to get one sum. Right? D1, D2, D4, D7. চারটে নেব OR operation করব. I'll be getting the sum of. What about carry? So that is D3, D5, D6, D7, right? D3, D5, D6, D7. So I'll be starting with D3, followed by D5, D6, D7. Another OR gate to generate carry. Okay. So here only one 3:8 decoder is enough to provide sum as well as carry. But obviously 2 separate OR gates are required. But if we are using multiplexer, then we require 2 separate multiplexer because multiplexer is having only one output. So one output for sum, one multiplexer for sum, another multiplexer is for carry. Okay. Is that clear? This one? Is that clear? This one? This part full adder using decoder. Is that clear? কারোর কিছু জিজ্ঞাসার আছে?
স্যার তাহলে D0টা ওপেনই রিমেন থাকবে।
হ্যাঁ থাকবে, লাগবে না এখানে, D0টা ওপেন থেকে যাবে, কি আছে, এটাকে নো কানেকশন, ইউ ক্যান পুট ইট অ্যাজ নো কানেকশন, ঠিক আছে, দেওয়ারও দরকার নেই, এমনি ওপেন রাখবে তাতেও কোনো অসুবিধা নেই, ঠিক আছে। We can implement multiple functions from same decoder IC. এই যেমন এখানে দুটো ফাংশন হলো, রাইট, you can, even if you can use another function, অন্য ফাংশনও তুমি একই ডিকোডার আইসি থেকে বের করতে পারো, that's up to you. We can use multiple functions, and that is the major logic for making programmable read-only memory, PROM. That is the major logic. We use decoder circuit right over there to implement a function, multiple functions right over there in order to make one word. একটা word. ROM is nothing but it can store data, na? এটা data store করে রাখতে পারে. So we'll be discussing that one further. যখন আমরা ওই LSI chip পড়বো, large scale integrated chip পড়বো, তখন we'll be discussing that one, ROM. Make sure that right now you can use decoder to implement different functions in a single chip. আমি একটাই চিপে ডিকোডার দিয়ে আমি মাল্টিপল ফাংশন কে ডিফাইন করতে পারি, rightly right over here as sum carry both are being generated from same decoder. Okay, anything else? আর কিছু? Anything else?
No, sir.